Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English learning video. My name is David. Now I will describe my bedroom. My bed is in the corner of the room. There's a nightstand next to my bed. A lamp sits on the nightstand and my desk is across from the bed. The chair is under the desk. There's a bookshelf to the right of the desk. My favourite books are on the top shelf of the bookshelf. A poster of my favourite band is above the bed. My backpack is on the floor next to the desk. There's a rug in the middle of the room. My gaming console is in front of the TV. The TV is on the wall opposite the window. My shoes are under the bed. There's a mirror to the left of the closet. My clothes are hanging in the closet. A laundry basket is in the corner next to the door. The window is above the radiator. My skateboard is leaning against the wall by the door. There's a poster of my favourite movie on the wall next to the window. My headphones are on top of the dresser. That's my bedroom. How does yours compare? Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. It makes Kevin happy. Very, very, very happy.